Rocks in the desert move on their own, and it's not aliens, it's science. Turns out strong winds and ice can make rocks slide. These sailing stones are found in California's Racetrack Playa, where some rocks have traveled over 700 feet. The ground must be just right, muddy but not too soggy, for rocks to start gliding smoothly and mysteriously across the vast and barren desert floor silently every winter. Ice forms slowly around the dark rocks, making them unexpectedly buoyant, and then a sudden gust of wind comes along and, voila, they're mysteriously moving across the frozen terrain. Some massive rocks weigh as much as 700 pounds, so imagine the colossal force required to actually budge or move them slightly from their resting positions slowly today. It's a slow-motion geological show. Rocks can take years or even decades to make their painstaking journey through erosion and weathering processes gradually. You need the perfect mix of crystal-clear water, ice, and biting wind to make this natural spectacle happen. It's like nature's beautiful, delicate, and precise ballet performance unfolding slowly. Scientists have set up cameras to catch the rocks in action, a rare and fleeting spectacle, but it's still a rare sight to witness the exact moment they occur naturally outside. The trails left behind vary. Some are straight and clearly defined, others curvy and mysterious, and some even overlap in their winding paths, creating complex patterns. These moving rocks aren't just visually stunning natural wonders, they're also a fascinating mystery that scientists love to carefully study and completely unravel together. Some trails are so incredibly long they almost look like a detailed roadmap of the desert floor, stretching far into the horizon under a blistering sun with rocky terrain. In the right atmospheric conditions, even small rocks mysteriously join the slow movement, creating a fascinating trail of tiny footprints along the dusty terrain gradually. Not all rocks move deliberately. Some stay put quietly, watching as their neighbors slide by slowly with a gentle rustling sound that echoes through the stillness nearby always. The Racetrack Playa is dry most of the time, making the mysterious movement of rocks even more puzzling and fascinating to wandering scientists and curious onlookers everywhere. Some think it's magic, but really, it's just the right combo of earth and weather conditions that create perfect circumstances for something extraordinary to naturally unfold slowly. These moving rocks have inspired various myths and theories. Some say they're mysterious messages from the Earth's ancient core, whispering secrets to those who observe them closely always. Scientists are fascinated by how these ancient rocks offer crucial clues about the desert's complex climate history and its intriguing environmental transformations over millennia slowly. It's not every day you see a massive boulder sailing rapidly across the dry ground, leaving a significant trail of disturbed earth and debris behind it slowly. When the conditions are just right, a whole fleet of rocks can be seen moving together slowly across the dry lakebed, creating mysterious trails behind them silently. In some cases, rocks have mysteriously moved in unison, creating parallel paths across dried lakebeds, leaving scientists puzzled and curious about this strange natural phenomenon. There's even a theory that some trails are influenced by the shape of the rocks themselves. The bigger the enormous rock, the more impressively its slow journey seems, like a giant taking a very leisurely, peaceful stroll through the scenic landscape gradually. These rocks have become a natural wonder, drawing curious minds and adventurers alike with their unique geological formations and mysterious, awe-inspiring beauty slowly revealed over time. The mystery of the moving rocks has been puzzling observers for over a century, sparking intense curiosity and debate among scientists and enthusiasts alike in the harsh desert environment. Some of the rock trails are so distinct and well-preserved they can be carefully mapped and thoroughly studied by geologists and paleontologists in great scientific detail always. It's a real-life desert magic trick, rocks mysteriously disappearing from one specific spot and suddenly reappearing elsewhere, leaving scientists puzzled and amazed by the strange phenomenon slowly. The moving rocks challenge our understanding of stillness in nature, creating an intriguing paradox that sparks curiosity and evokes a sense of mystique, as ancient stones appear to defy explanation slowly. Imagine being the one to witness it, the sheer thrill of seeing a rock move slowly with your own wide eyes, feeling the ground beneath your feet slightly tremble. These rocks keep geologists on their toes, constantly refining their theories about the Earth's complex geological history and mysterious formations, sparking intense debates. Next time you're wandering alone in the desert, keep an eye out carefully. You never know when a rock might be making its quiet, stealthy move slowly.